We are looking at how to pronounce this word, which is the title of various musical compositions throughout the history of music, and which is also, of course, famously, more recently, the title of a very popular song by South Korean K-pop group BTS. How do you go about pronouncing this word? The Korean word for it, this word right here on your screen, is pronounced something along the lines of soju. Soju, soju, but the English word for it is usually said as Mikrokosmos, not microcosmos, but rather Mikrokosmos, Mikrokosmos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more popular BTS and K-pop songs whose pronunciations aren't necessarily obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.